Today I'll show you how to remove viruses and malware from your Windows 10 or 11 PC without installing any antivirus software. These methods are advanced, built directly into Windows, and they work fast. Follow each step carefully, and by the end, your system will be clean and running smoothly. First, we need to stop any hidden virus processes. Press the keys Windows+R, type msconfig, and hit Enter now. Go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot, select Networking, and click Apply. Restart your PC. Safe mode limits what runs at startup, which prevents most viruses from loading. This is critical before we begin cleaning. Once inside safe mode, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Sort by CPU or memory usage. Look for unknown apps with strange names or abnormal usage. Right-click them and select Open File Location. If the folder path is suspicious, end the task, then delete the file manually. Windows has a hidden advanced scan most people never use. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan Options, then select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. This will reboot your PC and run a deep scan before Windows loads, making it extremely effective at removing stubborn infections. Now let's use a tool that comes pre-installed with Windows, but very few people use. Press Windows+R, type MRT, and press Enter. Choose Full Scan and let it run. This tool is updated monthly by Microsoft and can detect hidden malware that normal scans miss. Viruses often corrupt system files. We'll repair them. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Now, type CFC Scano and hit Enter. Wait until it finishes. You need to wait. After it finishes, then type the command on display. These commands automatically repair corrupted Windows files and replace them with clean versions from Microsoft.O. Make sure no leftovers remain. Press Windows+R, type %10%, and hit Enter. Delete everything inside this folder. Then, again press Windows+R, type prefetch, and clear those files as well. This removes cached malicious scripts that could reload later. And that's it. By combining safe mode, manual process cleanup, offline defender scan, MRT tool, system file repair, and temp flush, you've removed viruses without installing any third-party antivirus. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more advanced Windows fixes.